Our daughter Jess started about 6 months ago here. We've been really impressed with Jala's instruction. Her follow-through is much better at school. She's much more focused. She's listening much better. You know, we were looking at attention deficit disorder and some other issues with her. It turned out that, you know, with some exercise and fun, structured activity of Jala's classes, she's doing really well. She's enjoying her little colleagues here. She's made some good friends, and every 6 weeks or so she looks forward to the tournaments, and getting those extra belts is a major focus of her life. And it's helping her with goals, and I think with daughters, self-esteem is really important, and as they grow, and I hope they stick with it, they seem to really enjoy it. Our 4-year-old's excited that she can join the class. So if you have the opportunity, I think Jala is well worth it. I think he understands children extremely well. I think sometimes more than the kids' teachers and pediatricians even. So come out and try it if you have the opportunity. It's been a very positive experience for our daughter.